Recently we travelled to Osaka and stayed at the Hilton in Yamita in a King Deluxe room. The Hilton is located close to many restaurants, subway and JR lines, making it easy to access popular tourist sites within minutes. The room has a traditional Japanese feel with modern features. Breakfast was not included in our room price but could be purchased at an additional cost. Wi-Fi is an additional cost, but if you sign up to the Hilton Rewards program, you will get free Wi-Fi during your entire stay. The room features include complimentary water, tea and coffee daily, a mini bar, large bathroom with a bathtub, safe and toiletries. The room had multiple areas to relax in, but my favourite was a seating area next to a large window that gave us beautiful city views, especially at night. In addition, the hotel had a fully equipped gym with a large pool and sauna. There was a lot to love about this hotel, especially the well-maintained rooms and size, which can be limited in Japan. Because of all this, I would happily stay at the Hilton again.